How to open a Fidelity investment account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, launch a browser and type in fidelity.com, in which you'll be redirected to its official website. To open a Fidelity investment account, you can select on any of the plan based on your future goals. Select any of the plan from the Fidelity investment to open an account. For an example, I'll be opening a retirement account, in which there are sub-plans as well. Select a plan that you think is suitable for you and your future plans. Wait until it loads up. If you already have a Fidelity account, you can tap on yes. If not, go ahead and tap on the no button. Then, firstly, you have to register in your Fidelity investment. Insert your personal details. That requires your full name, middle name, last name, social security number, your date of birth, country, number, and your email, along with your residential address. Once you have entered all of the detail, tap on the next button. It will also ask you for your identification documents. Make sure to submit it accordingly. Then, choose a payment method for your investment account. After your account is verified, you'll be able to open your very own Fidelity investment account. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.